rule, right hand thumb rule. Here a current carrying wire is there, current carrying wire. Suppose current is flowing in the direction of the wire like this. I is the direction of current in the wire. And now what I am doing means I know that from Oersted experiment around the current carrying wire magnetic field is there. Around the current carrying wire magnetic field is there. So I want to find the strength of the magnetic field. I want to find the strength of the magnetic field. So for finding strength of the magnetic field, first of all we have to know what is the direction of magnetic field. Direction of magnetic field. Direction of magnetic field. If you hold the this current wire with your right hand and you keep the thumb in the direction of current, thumb you are keeping in the direction of current and remaining fingers you are closing the fingers of your hand like this. So this is your thumb. So thumb you placed in the direction of current. Thumb you placed in the direction of current. Remaining fingers are curled. That means you are closing your remaining fingers and you are holding the wire like that. So the curl of fingers indicates now the direction of magnetic field. So here the thumb indicates current direction and curl of fingers indicates magnetic field direction. That is a given information by right hand thumb rule. So by using this knowledge, curl of fingers indicates the magnetic field and thumb indicates direction of current. Like that some information we got. With that information, now we will check the different situations how to find the current and magnetic field relations with for directions. Let us start the first one. Suppose current is flowing in this direction. What the direction of magnetic field means? Immediately here very simple technique I will tell beta. Just put your thumb on the current wire. Just you put the thumb on the current wire. That is what, which thumb you have to put? Right hand thumb. If you put a right hand thumb on the current wire, remaining fingers you will be having like this. This is your right hand thumb. So here what does it indicates means simple technique to remember. The remaining fingers which they are showing, that indicates their magnetic field is into. That means thumb is in the direction of current. This thumb is in the direction of current. So remaining fingers which they are showing that side, everywhere magnetic field will be inside. That is everywhere magnetic field will be inside. This is the direction of magnetic field. That is a B is into the page. We can write into the page. Simple technique to understand. And other side everywhere magnetic field will be outside. B is here out. Here B is into and B here is out. Outside the page. Out of the page. Magnetic field direction is out of the page. So I hope you are clear. You place your right hand thumb. Only use right hand thumb. So we are using only right hand. If you use left hand, again our answers will become wrong beta. So magnetic field is into the page. So that what happen when you place the right hand thumb in the direction of current, in this situation what you noticed? Everywhere right side of you you are finding magnetic field inside, and left side of you are finding magnetic field outside. So current is flowing in this direction. You kept the right hand thumb. This is the situation. Now let us see one more situation. Suppose current is flowing down like this. This is the direction of current. I is downward. So again you place your right hand thumb. How you will, that means you have to hold this one. Actually you keep the thumb in the direction of current. Thumb if you place in the direction of current means what will happen beta? Thumb you are placing in the direction of current. So remaining fingers, what will happen? You will be having remaining fingers like this. So thumb is in the direction of current. Thumb is in the direction of current. Thumb indicating in the direction of current. This is your thumb. So remaining fingers, just remember, just keep now on your notebook, you draw one line like that and current direction, keep your thumb in this direction. Remaining fingers which they are showing that side everywhere, magnetic field is into. Magnetic field is into the page. So here it is into the page means the magnetic field lies into the page. The direction of magnetic field is into the page. So here magnetic field is into the page means what we can write at the other side magnetic field will be outside the page, and here we wrote with a dot. We have written here with a dot, and here out of the page. Out of the page the magnetic field in this end we got outside. So now so be out of the page, be into the page, like that we discussed here. So in previous case and this case you just observe, previous what we did, thumb we kept in the direction of current and we hold the wire. So remaining fingers are showing in which direction? Right side. Right side we got into, left side outside. Now again the right hand, every time you have to take only right hand, but a very danger if you take left hand. So you just place your right hand thumb in the direction of current. You just keep your thumb directly on the page and you will understand very easily. Draw the line and draw this line current on the nodes and keep your thumb on, directly you keep your thumb in the direction of current and you check. It will be very easy. And where the remaining fingers are showing, that remaining fingers are showing that side everywhere it is into. All the points that is your left side now because you are placing right hand. So left side everywhere you are having magnetic field into, and right side of you everywhere you will find magnetic field outside. Magnetic field outside. I hope you are clear with this one now. Let us see the next one. Suppose I have taken conductor wire like this and current is flowing in this direction. Now I placed my again right hand thumb in the direction of current. After placing the right hand thumb, if you observe remaining fingers, if you observe the remaining fingers like that, so what will happen? This is the thumb direction. Thumb direction. Actually the most beautiful hand. You please don't worry about the hand will be like that, nothing like that, just you have to understand the concept. So this is a thumb direction. Thumb direction is showing the current direction, and the direction where the remaining fingers are showing, that is indicates magnetic field is into. Remember always the direction of remaining fingers shows. You just keep your thumb on the wire, just in your notes you take one notebook better, write the current wire like that, in the direction of current also you put, and put your right hand thumb in this direction. So right hand thumb if you are putting here, what will happen? We don't get down no beta, we don't get down at all, we will get up here. Why? Put your right hand thumb here, what will happen? Right hand thumb if you put, yes, you are getting up. So we are getting all the remaining fingers up. So let me be clear with this one now. So here what happened? This is the remaining fingers you got in this way, and this is your hand. So here the hand is showing, the remaining fingers are showing which direction? That direction we have. B is inside. B is inside. So we have to put that is into symbol. So here B is into here. B is into. And it is into here top means automatically opposite to that one will be having B out. B out. And that symbol will give it as dot. Will give it as dot. I hope it is clear. Previously what we did here, if you don't take right hand thumb and if you don't place, very danger. We can't keep like this, no, but right hand thumb you are keeping in the direction of current and remaining all finger, this is your right hand thumb. So what we have to take, first of all the rule is only right hand, only right hand. and you have to place thumb. This is the thumb in the direction of current, thumb in the direction of current. What are the remaining fingers are showing? Always remaining fingers show magnetic field into. Just keep on the notes, don't get confused, just keep thumb on the direction of current, and remaining fingers are showing in which direction beta, that is in this direction. So in this direction they are showing, that is a B into here. And where the fingers are not showing, the direction will get B outside. Magnetic field is outside the page. Here magnetic field is into the page, and here magnetic field is outside the page, Like that we can give the information about directions here. Next one, observe. Suppose current is flowing in this direction. Now if you place the right hand thumb, first we have written previously like this, no? Did you remember? Then we erased that one and we wrote. So here what happened, your right hand like this. Just keep the thumb, just keep your thumb in the direction. Your target is to keep the thumb in the direction of current. So if you keep the thumb in the direction of current, what are the remaining fingers are showing which direction? All the remaining fingers are showing this way. That means here magnetic field is into. In which direction remaining finger shows? That is the direction of magnetic field, and this is into. So we can write B is into the page here, into the page. If this is in this direction into the page, opposite direction above that wire, if you observe, there what will happen? B out. So here, so down of the page, up of the page, if you observe, this is B into here, that will be obviously B out. Here into means that is out. So we can write here out of the page. Everywhere there magnetic field, not only at this point, everywhere above this wire, that is everywhere we are finding outside magnetic field. And in the direction where the remaining fingers are showing, that direction everywhere magnetic field is into the page. Now I hope you are clear with how to handle the straight conductors. In straight conductors, current carrying current, what happened? Basically first the rule is right hand thumb rule. Thumb indicates direction of current and curl of fingers indicate magnetic field. Leave it about that. What I told you is take the thumb in the direction of current, okay, and remaining fingers are showing which direction? That is always magnetic field inside direction. So thumb in the direction of current, remaining fingers always shows magnetic field inside, that is fixed. Remaining fingers always shows magnetic field inside. According to this diagram, right side you are finding inside, means automatically left side of the wire outside. Right side everywhere it is inside, and left side everywhere it is outside. Like that we can write. And we have written that if the magnet, that is thumb, is indicating in the downward direction like this, what will happen? Current is in the same direction of thumb. So remaining fingers, if you keep like that, all the remaining fingers are showing left side of the page. So where the remaining finger shows, there will get magnetic field into the page. Even this is not like a right hand, that is your right hand, you can't feel, but you have to take it better. There is no other way. You have to feel it is your right hand. Like even the right hand will not look like that, I know that, but diagram is worst, but we have to manage. So this is the direction of thumb. You have to understand thumb direction. Remaining fingers direction indicates into the page. That is this side into the page, left side means automatically right side it is outside the page. So again what we did here, we have kept the thumb in this direction of current, and remaining all fingers are showing upside. So upside means that is nothing but magnetic field is inside here. Then automatically keep your right hand thumb. You don't get confused. Just keep the thumb in the direction of current. See the remaining fingers. Remaining fingers will indicate in this direction. There will get into. Where the remaining finger showing the direction is always into, and opposite direction is always outside. And we discussed about that. And finally this one we discussed. Here also the same phenomena we are applying. So keep the thumb in the direction of current. Always the first point is keep the thumb in the direction of current. and remaining fingers you can observe they are showing down of the page. So everywhere down of the page you will find magnetic field into, where the remaining finger shows that is into magnetic field into the page, and other side magnetic field outside the page. I hope you are clear with this one now. About straight current carrying conductors, magnetic fields at either sides of the conductor, how the fields will be there, we discussed in different situations.